Hello, welcome home.
Alright, I'm going to be showing you the exact step-by-step guide on how the video is being edited. So this is a very simple video and it is a beginner video. After understanding what CapCut means and how video editing really works, you can engage to go on with this project. So to start the new project, click on new video. So I will now be importing the videos that are being used on this particular video. So I will import the clips. So these are the clips. I'll just import the clips. So when I'm done importing the video to my timeline, so these are the videos that we're going to be editing. So I'm gonna be using only these 3 clips. Now the first thing to do whenever you want to edit is to delete your watermark. In case you forgot, just delete the watermark at the end of your video. So when you are done deleting the watermark, now the first thing to do again is to import your audio. So I usually import my audio through extract. I click on extract, then I look for the video that has the audio I want to use. So I think this is the video. I'll extract it. So I'll extract it. So this is the video. Now the next thing to do is to click on mute clip. Click on this particular place. So the meaning of clicking on this place, if you notice when I click on the mute clip, something happened on this particular timeline. So when you click on it, it will now remove all the volume on these videos. So when it is done, you click on your audio, the audio you just extracted. You already know how I extracted the audio. I click on audio, then I click on extract. When I click on extract, I click on the video that has the audio that I want to extract. So that's how I got this audio. So now when you click on that audio, you scroll to where we have beats. You click on beats. When you click on beats, you click on auto generate. So you give it some seconds. Now CapCut will automatically auto generate beats on this particular audio. So as you can see, we have beats on this audio. So now the next thing to do is to reduce the beat to the center. You click on it to reduce it. So we are going to be using this beat now. I kept it at the center. Remember, at the center. So you click on this mark button. Now if you look closely, you'll be seeing the beat on the audio. So this is beat here, this is beat here, and this is beat here. So now the next thing to start now is to start tracking our video. So I'll now bring the first clip that we'll be using. So this one, you tap and hold on it, then you drag it to the front. So now when it is at the front like this, so this is it. Now I'll now scroll to where I want to use. So I'll not be using this part. I'll be using from this part. You click on it, then you click on split. You split it, then you click on that one that you splitted. You scroll to where you see delete. You delete that particular one. So we are going to be starting our video with this particular one. So now let's start it. So now notice we are going to be cutting our clips based on the beat. So when you pass the first, second beat, you cut it at the third beat. So now scroll to the third beat, you hit on it, and you split it here. Now the same clip again, because this clip have 2 things that I want to use. I'll scroll to the next one that I want to use this part. I split it, I delete this part. So now I now have 2 clips now. So as you can see now, you pass the first one again, the second one again, you cut it at the third one. So I will cut it here, I will cut it here, I will scroll again. I will delete this particular clip because I'm not going to be using it again. So I will delete it. Now the next thing is to bring this third clip, this particular one. So this particular one is what we are going to be using. So you hold and drag it and bring it to the third one. So you'll be using it. So now when you bring it to the third one, now observe closely. These particular clips have different videos on it. If you observe closely, it has different videos on it. So I'm going to be using the video to get what I want, and I will make sure that everything has to fall into this voice note from the start to this place. So I won't pass the video here. So as you can see, my video passed, so I will have to trim it to get the exact audio size. So I will scroll it back, then I'll use this one. So now this time around, you're not gonna be counting the beats 1 2 3 again. You're going to be taking it 1 1. Remember, the first one we passed the first one, pass the second one, and we cut it at the third one. Then we pass that first one again, pass the second one, then we cut it at the third one. But this time around, we'll be cutting it at the next beat. So any next beat you'll be cutting it. So this particular one, I will cut it in this next beat. So you click on it, then you cut it. Now you look for another scene. You look for another scene in the video. So this is another scene here, another entire scene. So I will cut it from here because this is the scene I want to use. Then I will delete what I have at the center. Delete it. Now I will scroll again to where I have this beat. I will split it. Then I will look for another clip. I will look for another entire clip. I will split it here. I will delete what I have at the center. So this is how I'm going to be changing the clips. So I will go to the next clip here, the next beat. I will split it here. Then I will look for another. This is another clip. I will split it, delete what I have at the center. The same thing again. You scroll, you cut it at the beat. Then you scroll again. You scroll again. You scroll again. You scroll again. Look for another thing. So this is another clip. You cut it from here. You delete this one. You do the same thing again. You scroll. You cut it at this beat. So this is the beat. You cut it here. You scroll, 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 scroll. Now this is another entire clip. So I will cut it here. Delete what I have at the center. So this is it. You now cut it at this beat again. And now we are gonna be using the last clip. So this is the last clip. You scroll it to where we have the next beat. You cut it there. Then you look for another scene. So this is another entire scene. This is the first scene and this is the second scene. You cut it here. Then you delete what you have at the center. You delete what you have at the center. Then you will now cut it to where the audio ends. So I will be stopping it to where our audio ends. So I will delete it. I will delete it from here. So as you can see now, I'm done cutting my clip. Now the next thing to do after cutting all your clips with the beat, remember I cut all these clips with the beat. So these are the beats with this particular beat we have here. So I used it to cut my videos. So when you are done cutting all your clips like this, as you can see, this is our clips. You click on the first clips, you scroll back, then you scroll to where we have animation. You click on animation. When you click on animation, you click on the search bar at the left top. So you click on it. Now you search for fading. Then you add fading to the video. So when you are done adding fading to the video, now it's time to add transition. Click on the line in between each clips. Click on it. When you click on the line, you click on classic. Look at here, I'm pointing at classic. When you click on classic, you now look for black fade. So this is black fade here. You look for black. When you look for this black fade, if you come over here and you do not see black fade, this particular black fade, just hit on this place and search. So in this particular video, I use black fade in all of them. So I'll just click on apply to all. So when you click on apply to all, it will now apply the same thing to all the clips. So as you can see, it's added all of them. Now the next thing to do is to get your auto caption. So you go back, you click on text, auto caption. So this is a very simple video. Then you generate it normally. Just generate your auto caption. So you wait for it to load. Watch this video very carefully. So you wait for it to load. So while we are waiting, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button so that we'll be getting updates like this on how to edit viral videos. So now our auto caption is done generating. Then you click on style. So we are going to be changing the style of our auto caption. Then you change the font. So I'll be using this particular template. So this is the template I'm going to be using. So when you are done using the template, you bring it up, then you reduce the size. So you reduce the size of it. So this is actually how to create a viral video like this. See you on the next video. Thank you.
How